In ArmoníaPlus, we can easily monitor the input voltage and the current of the amplifier's mains. We just have to go under Config, Mains, and we will be able to see real-time information about the voltage and current consumption of each amplifier, directly on their component in the workspace. ArmoníaPlus will also tell us if the electrical power supply to the amplifier is 3-phase or single-phase, for example. Here they are labeled 3P and 1P. If we select one or more amplifiers, we are then able to set up a limiter for the mains power supply in terms of the current and the amperes. In this case, the values are ranging from 30 amps to 10 amps because we're using X8 amplifiers. But these values will change accordingly to the different amplifier models that have been selected. And that's it. This is how we can monitor and also limit the mains power supplies of our amplifiers in ArmoníaPlus.